All right, so we are looking at budgets. We've been given information for a certain company which produces two products, product A and product B, right? And then let's just read what the question is asking us to do. The question has told us you are required to prepare a sales budget, a production budget, a materials usage budget, and a materials purchase budget. Right? So the first thing we'll make is our sales budget. Sales budget basically is just telling us how many units we intend to sell at their intended selling price. And we'll be able to get the revenue which we expect from selling these units. We're able to say how much revenue we'll make, right? So we just put in a table here, our sales budget. Oh, I haven't shared my screen. Let me know once you're able to see the screen. You able to see it? All right, just kindly mute your mic. All right, so we're making the sales budget. We have here our forecasted sales in units. All right, this is the information we need. So for product A, we expect to sell 10,000 units. Product B, we expect to sell 15,000 units. And we have the intended selling prices for both products. Product A, we expect to sell it at 12 kwacha per unit. Product B at 11 kwacha per unit. So let's make our sales budget. Okay, so we have here sales in terms of units. Product A here and product B. Expect to sell 10,000 units for product A, 15,000 units product B. Put in our selling price per unit. Product A, that is 12 kwacha. Product B, that is 11 kwacha. Multiply. So 10,000 times 12, we get 120,000. 15,000 times 11, we get 165,000. So that's the revenue we will get from selling these units. All right, so we are done with our sales budget. Very easy to make. We go to part B. We have to make our production budget. How many units we intend to produce? All right, so our production budget. We also make another table. All right, so we have product A, product B. Okay, about our sale. First information we put in is sales in terms of units. Product A, 10,000. Product B, 15,000. All right, then we're going to add closing stock. Going to add the closing stock. Let's go to information in the budget. the budget. Closing stock for product A is 2,500 units. Closing stock for product B is 3,000 units. So when we add 10,000 plus 2,500, we get 12,500 units. 10,000 plus 3,000, we get 18,000 units. All right. Now, since we have got opening stock, we don't really need to produce 12,500 units. So first, we have to deduct our opening stock to see how many units we actually need to produce. So you're going to say less opening stock. We go to our information, product A, the opening stock, opening inventory 300 units, product B 200 units. Product A 300 units, product B 200 units. So we're going to say 2,500 minus 300, we get 12,200 units. So we need to produce 12,200 units of product A. Product B, 18,000 minus 200, we get 17,800 units of product B. So now we're done with our production budget. We found out how many units we need to produce. We can now go to our, let's see the next part of the question. Materials usage budget. All right. These products that we're making, they're using certain materials, material X and material Y. So we have to find out how much material we're going to use. All right. So we're also going to make another table here. Materials usage budget. All right, so here we're going to say material X and material Y. Right, usually we're given the quantities of the materials, if it's liters or kgs. All right, not the quantities, actually the units of the material. It can be in liters, it can be in kilograms, depending what the material is. After we've listed our materials, we're going to put here product A and product B. Right, so for product A, remember we're making 12,200 units. Okay, and how much of material X do we use for product A? 15 kg. Right, we're using 15 kg of product A. I mean product material X for product A. And then how much of material Y are we using for product A? We're using 5 kg. Right? So we'll say 2,200 times 5 kg. Right? We multiply. 1,200. First, not 5 kg, first 15 kg. 12,200 times 15. I'm going to need 183,000 kg of material X for product A. 183,000 kg. Material Y, we said we need 5 kg for each unit of product A. So we're going to say 12,200 times 5. We're going to need 61,000 kg of material Y for product A. Right? Product B, we said we need to produce 17,800 units. So here we want to put 17,800 units. So here's 17,800 units. All right, so for product B, all right, for material X, we need 10 kg. And for material Y, we need 8 kg. So for material X, we need 10 kg. 20,800 times 10, we get 178,000 kg. Material X for product B. Then for material Y, 17,800 times 8 kg. Right, so 17,800 times 8 kg. So we need 142,400 kgs of material Y. And then we can tabulate our totals. So we'll say 183,000 plus 178,000. We need 361,000 kg of material X. All right. And then here we're going to say 61,000 for material Y. Of how many kgs we need. Right. So we say 61,000 plus 142,400. We're going to need 203,400 kg of material Y. So we are now done with our materials usage budget. Next, we have to find our materials purchase budget. How much are we going to spend for these materials that we need? All right. So this information from the materials usage budget is also going to be used in our materials purchase budget. All right. So let me just put our information here. Right, so for material X, we need 361,000 kg of it. Material Y, we need 203,400 kg of material Y. All right, this is our materials. And next, we're going to add our closing inventory. about materials, closing inventory. So we go back to information in the question here. Material X closing inventory is 9,500 kg. Material Y closing inventory is 11,000 kg. So we're going to add that. So material X 9,500 kg, material Y 11,000 kg, right? So we're going to add them up together. 361,000 plus 9,500. We need 300, so 370,500 kg. And for material Y, we're going to say 203,400 plus 11,000 plus 11,000. You're going to get 214,400, right? Then we deduct our opening inventory or opening stock. We used stock in this, so opening stock, and here closing stock. All right, so let's find our opening stock for our materials. Material X opening stock 8,500, material Y 700 kg. So less, so 1,500 here and less 700 kg. So we have to see how much materials we have to purchase. All right, so 370,500 minus 8,500, we get 362,000. Material Y 214,400 minus 700, we get 213,700. Okay, so that's how much materials we have to purchase. Now we have to multiply this by the purchase price of these materials. Purchase price. Right, so we go to information here. And here's our purchase price. Our purchase price for material X is 100 kwacha. As you can see, at 100 kwacha. So this is our purchase price for material X. For material Y, this is our purchase price, 200 kwacha, 200 kwacha here. Right, so material X, the purchase price is 100 kwacha. Multiply by 100. And here multiply by 200. So how much are we going? So 100 times 362,000, we get, I believe that would be 3 million. We get 36,200,000. That's how much we have to spend for material X. 36,200,000. Material Y, which is at 200 kwacha, we're going to say 213,700 times 200 kwacha. We have to spend 42,740,000. And we are done with our materials purchase budget. And we're done with our question.